Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to make yummy cashew paneer curry. Let's get started. For this I'm taking paneer cubes, onions and tomatoes and also few cashews soaked. Firstly I'm frying the paneer cubes with little oil. I'm planning to make this curry with very less oil, but you can use as much oil you would require. So I'm taking all the paneer cubes and frying them. We're not frying the paneers until they're golden brown, because the paneer gets hard if you fry them longer. We're just sauteing the paneer to lose the raw smell of to get rid of the raw smell of paneer. So after the paneer is roasted well, we're taking few more drops of oil to fry the onions. The onion should be golden brown, but because we're using less oil for the curry, the onions will be cooked. So to cook the onions, I'm adding salt and mixing them and letting them to cook. So once the onions are translucent, we can go for the next steps. The onions are not yet cooked for me, so I'm putting the lid on, and yes, the onions are now cooked. Look at this, they are translucent. If you're adding lots of oil, you can see them golden brown. Okay, here I'm adding ginger garlic paste. I'm mixing them with the onions and putting the lid on so the ginger garlic paste will get cooked. See, the onions and the ginger garlic paste is brown enough. Now add turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and coriander cumin powder. Mix them all together, and now you can add tomato puree. The tomatoes I showed are pureed, and this is added to the onion mixture we have now. So mix it like this, and the tomato gravy is all ready. Cook it for 2 minutes, and meanwhile you can make the paste of the soaked cashews. Make it a fine paste like this, and at this point you can add fried cashews. I'm having a whole cashew, so I'm adding them here. You can add split cashews as well, but make sure you fry them to have the crunch. And now we are cooking the cashews along with the cashew paste we have. Add it all to the gravy and cook them all together for 2 minutes. Yes, after that I add milk to have the creamy texture to the gravy. Cook it for 2 minutes, and then add the paneer cubes, the dry fried paneer cubes, and mix them all together so the paneer absorbs all the flavors of the gravy. You cook the gravy for 2 minutes, then adjust the consistency with water. See, the gravy is all ready. Now I'm going to add the Kasoori Methi powder, mix it, and then add the cilantro as well. Yes, the cashew paneer gravy is all ready. This tastes yum, and try it out and let me know how it turned out for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.